Today the weather is really nice and I can test the boat and also able to figure out how much it can carry. I took extra care to tie down the boat.
Okay, let's go on our journey.
And head over to my favorite place, Taunton River, to test my boat. I'm able to reduce the weight of the boat down to 13 pounds. And moving it from the rack is very easy. It is 13 pounds now, but after I change it to a sailboat, I hope to keep it down to 30 pounds, under 30 pounds. This video is about my G10 boat. I'm also testing my G9 boat today, and you can see it here. I will have another video on G9. G9 is a foldable boat, and I should be able to fit 3 boats inside this small car. Maybe today is still early. There were not many people at the boat launch. I am concerned about where to place the seat. Now I will find out if it works or not. It is not very stable and I have to fix it.
It looks a little wobbly.
The width of the boat is 29 inches and I placed the seat 43 inches from the stern. And when I sit inside, it created the water plane, which is only 22 inches wide, which is not very stable. So if I move it to 30 inches from the stern, and the water plane is so much wider, and it is 26 inches, and it gives me much better stability. I put markings at the side of the boat to understand better the condition of the boat. After I move the seat closer to the stern, the boat is very stable and it is very fun to pedal.
Wow, beautiful picture.
The boat is also very responsive, very easy to turn. Next step is do a stability test. I usually rock the boat and see how stable it is. This boat seems to be very stable, has a very good secondary stability. I tried to get water into the boat.
Not a lot of water though. Yeah, a little.
Tracking is okay for this small boat. The only problem I have with this boat is related to the seat, which I will move it to the back. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this boat, and I will be adding a mast. I have to work on a sail too, and we convert that into a sailboat in the very near future. If I have to build this boat again, I think it would take me maybe 10 to 12 hours. Usually it takes more time to round up the material than building the boat itself. I modified my Gen 3 foldable boat and morphed it into this boat. And it used a 5 feet by 10 feet, 6 millimeter thick Coroplast sheet. And it takes about 1.5 sheets. So the total cost to make this boat should be around $100. My next video will be about my Gen 9 boat.
Oh, see you.
And I probably will have it ready for you to watch in maybe 6 days or so. This is a very conservative estimation. Adding 2 inches to the draft will allow this boat to carry over 220-pound weight. I hope you find this video is interesting. Please give me feedback, comment, and subscribe so you will be notified when I upload the next video. Thanks for watching.